We've all experienced the great and terrible mystery of our browser search engine or homepage changing without our control, usually Yahoo, Bing or more obscure browsers. Why does this happen? Is it a virus? Is there anything you can do about it? Here we explain why your search engine or homepage may keep changing and what you can do to stop it. There are a few problems as enduring and annoying as that of your browser homepage or search engine changing without your permission. You try searching through Google but end up being redirected to Yahoo, or your homepage suddenly becomes some dodgy knockoff that you've never heard of. There are various reasons why your search engine and homepage may keep changing, from annoying extensions to sneaky opt-out checkboxes in software, or more malicious things like malware. Let's look at the fixes. Search engine has changed. If your search engine or homepage keeps changing to Yahoo, or really any other search engine other than the one you started with, then the most benign explanation is that at some point you accidentally opted in to change your search engine, usually through a third-party software that has a sneaky checkbox in the installer asking if you'd like to opt out of changing your search engine, which means that by default they do change your search engine. It's very, very annoying. If that's happened, it could just be a case of manually changing your search engine back to the option you had initially chosen. In Chrome, click the More icon at the top right, then Settings, then Search Engine, and change the search engine in the drop-down menu. You can also change the homepage here by going to the On Startup section. In Edge, click the More icon at the top right, Settings, Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, click Address Bar and Search, and then change the search engine used in the address bar drop-down. To change your Edge homepage, click on Startup, in Settings on the pane in the left, and then make your changes. Search engine keeps changing. If your homepage or search engine keeps changing, then you have a redirect virus. At some point you may have clicked a fake update pop-up telling you to do things like update your Flash player or update your browser. Installing such an update will hook a redirect link into your browser, changing your search engine to a different one, even when you change it back. The creators of the virus then profit from any searches you make using that search engine and having access to your browsing data. There are several different fixes for this. Run an antivirus scan. If your built-in OS antivirus doesn't detect it, then try one like Malwarebytes, Avast or Bitdefender to see if it roots out the problem. Right-click the Start menu and go to Apps and Features, then look for an app called Search Provided by Yahoo. Click it and uninstall it. Disable browser extensions from changing your search engine back to the default. If your preferred search engine sticks with a certain extension disabled, then it's possible that the disabled extension was causing the redirect, and that should be removed. Reset your browser. In Chrome, go to Settings, Advanced, Restore Settings to the original defaults, Reset Settings. In Edge, click the More icon, Settings, Reset Settings, Restore Settings to their default values. One of these should fix your ever-changing homepage or search engine problem, giving you back control of your browser. For more Windows tips, see our guides on how to get a list of all software installed on Windows 10, and also a guide on how to disable auto-refresh on web pages in your browser. Links to all of that in the description. Okay, as always, thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.